Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today you are going to learning a super easy concept of ChatGPT with Python program of generating random numbers. Yes, how super easy to creating using ChatGPT AI tool to implementing a source code. If you don't know logic how to implement this random number in Python, yes, I'll teach you how to, a step-by-step process. Before going to start our lecture, please do subscribe for this channel if you are watching a first-time user. For more interesting AI lectures and data science and Excel, a database, these all the courses which are already published in many courses, and many of the students and professionals who are benefited with these lectures. Yes, most of the lectures are relevant to the real world components and examples only. So let's quickly initiate this lecture now. So Python and ChatGPT. So URL is chat.openapi.com, which is a ChatGPT is a non-profit organization and open source code. Anyone can use it by having a registration of an account of either Google or Microsoft email ID. Now you can register, and what you want to ask in a chat like a message to this AI tool to get your information. My query is write a program to generate a random number in Python. Let's see here, go to Google and just simply hit ChatGPT. Hit enter now. Optimizing language model dialog engine of OpenAI, and it's a pre-trained transformer of commonly called ChatGPT. Now it is a released of November 2022. It's a OpenAI's GPT-3 family large language models, fine-tuned both supervised and reinforcement of the language techniques which are added, and added advantage of neural networks which are following and getting a more accurate information to the users. Now you see, click here and go to, if you are already registered, you will see try ChatGPT. If you are already registered, you will see directly the dashboard where we can hit the queries. And if you are not registered, it will ask you to sign up, and then you complete the process of sign up procedure and log in with username and password. See, now here we need to write a query where the cursor is going to be blinking. Yes, my query is write a program of random numbers is my query. Just I'm taking a copy and paste here and sending. I'm trying to asking this ChatGPT AI tool. Yes, within a fraction of seconds. Here is a simple program to generate random numbers in Python. So it's done. A super easy concept, and it's done. It's an import using the module which is imported and added here for random, and a random number randit 1 to 100 it's generated. Take a copy of this code, we'll test in our local IDE. So here my PyCharm IDE is in my computer system, and random number. Yes, just to take a paste of this code. See, I have taken a collect of copy this code and pasted into my local PyCharm IDE. Just run this program. If you are already aware of this PyCharm and Python installation, it's a very comfortable you to understand very easily. If you are not, please watch a video lectures are available in harisystems already published earlier, and understand how to install Python and PyCharm to start initiating learning and working with your real world projects. Now come to the point. Here it is a 72 is a random number is generated. If you run again, it's a 91. If you run again like a 21. So if I'm making 1000, customizing the code, like a range I am increased up to 1000. So 789. If I rerun 688 and see 926, 56, whatever the number in between 1 to 1000 it is giving. If you want in between 100 to 1000, yes, it will be above 200 and below 2000 only it will generate. So what you need more to understand and know, the program is giving directly what you want. Why don't you try today? Please do subscribe. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you, comment your reviews and like, share, comment. Thank you.